Good evening, everybody. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Good evening, Hubli people. Are you excited enough? Let's give a big welcome to Kailash Satyarthi and the dignitaries here. पीछे आ जाओ, डिक्शनरी के पीछे आ जाओ, स्टेज पे आ जाओ, स्टेज पे आ जाओ, डिक्शनरी के पीछे। बुलाओ, विनर को बुलाओ, विनर को बुलाओ। Hello, 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 hello. Thank you, young excited people. Kindly be seated there only. The best place, the reward for your dance, the very close to the dignitaries. So let me move ahead with this. I, Ajay Suman Shukla, on behalf of the lead program of Deshpande Foundation, welcome to all the people here gathered along with the dignitaries. So this is the evening we are waiting from this morning. We had amazing lead talk where young leaders have given the speech what they have learned by taking the leadership initiative. We had amazing faculty talk where very selected faculties who are inventing into the teaching have shared their experiences. And then we had a huge rally you might have seen with a lot of Galata Masti and Band Baja Barat. Everybody gathered here. So 1,000 people gathered here, came along with Mr. Kailash Satyarthi ji in opposing the child labor. And I would like to request Naveen ji to hand over this. So yesterday these all the young excited people have visited. I think they might have visited many of your shops to take the place against child labor. तो साथ देना है कि हम एक हैं. Are you ready? आवाज दो. Excitement is missing in the middle and the back. आवाज दो. आवाज दो. Mr. Satyarthi wants to see the hands. आवाज दो. हम सबने ये ठाना है चाइल्ड लेबर को मिटाना है. हम सबने ये ठाना है. हम सबने ये ठाना है. दूसरी बार होगा. हम सबने ये ठाना है एजुकेशन को बढ़ाना है. हम सबने ये ठाना है. हम सबने ये ठाना है. देशपांडे फाउंडेशन और टाई ने ठाना है. थैंक यू सो मच. So to start with, and before going to the next here, we would like to call Mr. Dholakia ji, who has inspired with his actions and speech, to receive the memento here from the Thai representative. And may I request Mr. Mohit Mehta ji.
मैं जहाँ दिख रहा हूँ स्टेज पे, मैं स्टेज पे हूँ ना।
Thank you. So this is the time to award the young leaders. And with this, I will be sharing some of the stories. Before that, I would like to play a video for you people, what a local Hudga of Dharwad has done. Can I have the video to play?
ಹಾಯ್, ನಾನು ರವಿ ಗೋಸಾವಿ ಕೊಡಬಾಗಿಂದ. ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ರೈತರು ಇದ್ದರು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕಡಲೆ ಬೆಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ನಷ್ಟನೇ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಒಣಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಒಣಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ ರೋಗ ಬಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡೋದು. ಕಲರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ಹಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಿತ್ತು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಕೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವಾಗಿನಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯೇ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಲಾಭ ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ರವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹುಡುಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಹುಳುಗಳು ಭಾಳ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದವು ಕಡಲೆಯನ್ನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಸಿದ ಕಡಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾರಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ SC/ST ಕಾಲೋನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳು ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇರೋಕೆ ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇನೂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಂಥವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದೊಳಗೆ ತರಂಥ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮನೆ ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇಂದವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೆರೆಯೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಸ್ಕೂಲೊಳಗೆ ದೇಸಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ದೇಸಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಆದ ಬಹುಮಾನ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಆಟ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ತಾಲೂಕು ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸಹ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಿಂದ ಆದರು ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಲೀಡ್ ಟೀಮು ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೇನು ಹಾಕೊತೀನಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅದ್ರ ಥ್ರೋಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯೋಕೆ.
Ravi Goswami, who did his graduation from Anjuman College, Dharwad, and he has touched thousands of lives with his 15 leadership initiatives. To move ahead with this, I would like to take this journey of awarding the leaders. So throughout the year, these leaders come up with their own ideas, and then they form a team, and then they jump into the problem to solve it. So sir, in front of you all, I would like to announce some of the real facts. So we always talk about the college is a platform for the education and to nurture the students to become something in the life. So let me start here with the award ceremony, where the college is giving all the support to the students. We have more than 100 colleges who are partnering with LEAD program from 5 states, that is Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and recently we started LEAD program in Varanasi and surrounding in Uttar Pradesh. So this college, who is very excited, the principal and the local authority, they are so supportive. When they got to know about the LEAD program from last 2 years, this year they did amazing. They made this program as a voluntary to join, any students can join. More than 300 students who become the part of LEAD program. More than 70 leadership projects were completed within the 4 months of it. And the faculty coordinator who is voluntary coordinating in this all. Nothing is paid extra for promoting the leadership in the college campus. And absolutely, we do a LEAD Prayana. As you have seen the dance from these people, all the people are the part of LEAD Prayana. They visited 15 days all over Karnataka, starting from Belgaum to Tumkur to Microsoft in Bangalore, to Infosys in Mysore, and then after that, they have visited Dharmasthala, Manipal, and coming here. The purpose of this journey is unleashing the leadership potential while traveling, meeting the young role models, and absolutely to watch their work. So this college has supported in all the way, and more than 100 students are right now acting on the local problems. So may I call the team, this award goes to the best teamwork and the best support from the college. May I call the Jain College of Engineering from Belgaum, the faculty coordinator and the students. May I have you on the stage, and may I request Mr. Satyarthi Murthy ji to hand over this award. Please be fast. We'll have 5 selected people and the faculty. So usually I would like to go with the best leader award. Next, the leader who has invented a portable prototype and the real model of planetarium. Usually if you build a planetarium, I think it costs crores together. So this student from Mysore has built this planetarium for the government school kids, and it is costing only 4,000 rupees. May I call the leader Prajwal and Gagan to come on the dais and receive the best leader award for your work. This model is being used in 4 colleges. He has donated them. Prajwal and Gagan are from NIE First Grade College of Mysore. Let me move ahead with the next. This award goes to the lady who has really shown the society what does it mean by women empowerment. It doesn't mean only empowering the people. It means to give them away, goes the way, shows the way, and after that make people to act on it. So this lady, after visiting the Prayana, she has visited one of the organizations under the Dharmasthala that is called Siri. So she has seen women are working there and creating the employment. She took the initiative. She trained 200 women on the employment. Around 50 of them came forward and they started working on it. After that, she was so motivated, she trained 1,500 women in surrounding of Bijapur in the Talikoti, and around 50 women have got the loan facility and running their business. May I call Pallavi K from SK Degree College, Talikoti, to receive the Best Leader Award for the women empowerment. May I request the dignitaries again. थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक बहुत से लोगों ने चूल्हा जलते हुए देखा होगा गांव में, देखा है ना? चूल्हे में धुआं निकलता है बहुत, और उस धुएं का जो दर्द होता है वो कौन समझ सकता है? एक औरत जो खाना पकाती है। तो यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट क्या हुआ, वन स्टूडेंट ऑफ द लीड हु टुक द इनिशिएटिव कि उस धुएं को कैसे बाहर निकाला जाए। बहुत ही लो कॉस्ट, विद इन 200 रुपीज़ he created a model of giving the air from the outside to the oven to the chula, and then after that keeping that all the smoke going outside that. He implemented first into his own home. By seeing this, his mother was so inspired, called many of the women. Then after that there was a meeting of SHG. He got 40 orders from the self-help group, and now around 50 models are running in that. May I call Yuvraj Patil, who has implemented from VSMIT Nipani College, receiving the Best Leader Award. May I have Satyarthi ji and Murthy ji again. He has implemented more than 13 very small projects to solve the very specific problems that are happening in the regular life. Next award goes to a leader in Telangana. We recently started 2 years back program in Telangana in Nizamabad. So this leader is so excited. He has completed 25 leadership projects. I don't know when he studies, but when I saw his marks card, it was all updated. There is nothing bad in it. So this leader, he does everything on the weekends. He initiated 25 projects, solved many problems, and then at the end of the day, he made around 1,000 people in the local surrounding who got the benefit from his initiatives. May I call Mr. Satya Fanindra to receive the Best Leader Award. To know more about the projects and the things, please visit leadcampus.org. I cannot explain every project here. For what Mr. Satyarthi is famous? For what is famous? Child labor. Very good. So child labor starts actually from the very much local environment. जहाँ पे proper guidance नहीं है, कोई पेरेंट्स को नहीं उसका वैल्यू पता होता कि एजुकेशन को कैसे बढ़ाना है. जहाँ पे एजुकेशन स्टॉप हुआ, कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. One student, what he did, he identified the problem. He went to the people and they said, why you are not sending to the kids to the school? They said, he is earning 500 rupees every day. Why should I send him? It stuck into his mind. He said, I'll give you 500 rupees and then you please send your kid back to the school. After that, the journey started. How many of you would like to donate 2 rupees every day to stop the child labor? How many would like to donate 2 rupees every day to stop the child labor? Thank you so much. This is what he did. Every day, he has made a system just like a piggy bank. He is collecting 2 rupees. अच्छा सा book, passbook बना के रखा है. And at the end of the day, he is maintaining that classrooms where around 30 kids are studying, and he is paying back all the money to the teacher and everybody. And he is from Nizamabad. Can I call Kalyan Chakravarti? Kalyan Chakravarti to receive the Best Leader Award. Amazing job. Go. Thank you so much. Don't feel it's going too long. In last 4 months, 1200 projects are completed and we showcased 60 projects this morning. Out of that, I'm only awarding 7. I feel so bad. So let me go to the next. This leader, what he has done, it's very much used. How many, I think, I don't need to ask, everybody uses vehicle. या तो मोटर बाइक नहीं तो कार. इमेजिन अगर आपकी कार का 20 to 30% जो फ्यूल का चार्ज होता अगर बच जाए तो कैसा रहेगा? Is it awesome or not? There is already one tool is created. It's already tested. अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. And 20 to 30% fuel is being saved. Technology I cannot tell you here. He is going to patent it. So may I call the leader Niranjan Kargi from AITM Belgaum to receive the Best Innovative Idea and the Product Making Award from the dignitaries here. Niranjan is going to patent this idea. One customer is using on his Maruti from last 1 month and he is enjoying saving 30% of the fuel cost. So this award goes to the leader who has done really amazing thing. Usually we talk about the government schemes and then at the end of the day it doesn't reach to the common people who need it. So what he did in his project, Mr. Ravi Gosavi from Dharwad, he has visited and identified how many people don't have the houses but they are really eligible to get it. Because of his effort, 13 houses are constructed and 8 toilets are constructed on the government cost. So let's give a big welcome and big hand to the Ravi Gosavi. May I call you on the stage. Ravi is associated from last 3 years and in this year he has completed 23 leadership projects and he is a media person. He is a media student from Karnataka State Open University. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And this last award of this evening goes to a person who is just really moving forward from the boundaries. हमेशा होता है कि कॉलेज में कुछ नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट एग्री नहीं हो रहा है, मैनेजमेंट काम नहीं कर रहा है, मैनेजमेंट ने परमिशन नहीं दिया है, पर रियल में अगर पैशन हो तो सब कुछ होता है. So this person, he participated in one of the lead programs and then after that he was so inspired, he invited lead team to start the program in his college and now we are running the full-fledged lead program. 11 students are participating from that college in Lead Prayana and college has sponsored rupees 12,000 for each students, around 1,50,000. Apart from that, college is also committed as we Deshpande Foundation Lead Program, we support monetary to each student's idea. This college has promised to fund 50% of the projects and this faculty has really already spoken in the lead talk today. May I have this faculty from Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. May I have Dr. Ravi to receive the Best Faculty Award for your dedication. Congratulations. Gayatri Vidya Parishad, I think many people will be knowing, one of the best colleges, autonomous college in Andhra Pradesh. Whether leaders from this side or leaders sitting on the ground. Let's give a big clap to all the leaders. So in Deshpande Foundation we have a startup incubation center. One of the very youngest entrepreneur and incubator in the center who would like to present some of the paintings done by her to all the dignitaries here. May I call Priyal to take this honor and give the memento to the dignitaries. Satyarthi ji, I'm so sorry. It is everybody, wow. How they will carry? Great.
Side place. వాళ్ళకి ఇద్దరికి చెప్పా వీళ్ళిద్దరికి వీళ్ళకి కాదు వాళ్ళకి.
Good. So may I call Abhinandan as well, one of the very young artists who has created the portrait of all of you two people, and may I request Abhinandan.
It's not me, it's fine art students Yamnur who has done this and
May I request gesture of Thank you so much. This evening will go with more high tone. And with this note, before handing over this mic to Deshpande for moderating this session, once again everybody, Awaaz do! Awaaz do! Thank you so much. See you very soon.
I am really delighted to be here with such energetic, courageous entrepreneurs like you. In Hindi there is a saying, बड़े मियाँ तो बड़े मियाँ, छोटे मियाँ सुभान अल्लाह.